Du junges grün, du frisches Gras, wie man es herrscht durch dich genas, wie man es herrscht durch dich gelas. Well, hello there. My name is Kendall McGuire, and I'm a professional singer and voice teacher in Tampa Bay, Florida. And today I'll be giving you some tips on how to increase endurance for vocal singing. Well, one thing you could use is some water, room temperature water, as well as a piano or keyboard if you have that accessible. It's important to not try too hard to force your vocal cords, especially when you're beginning singing. Now, some of you are beginners, some of you are more intermediate, and some of you might even be advanced that are listening into these clips. So start small, start soft, and start correct. You might have heard the old adage, practice makes perfect. Well, I would say that perfect practice makes perfect. Practicing something again and again and again wrong doesn't make perfect, but rather you're practicing the wrong thing. You're getting that in your brain, and you're getting a bad skill. So if you're abusing your vocal cords and singing the same song a million times and straining your voice, you're doing more harm than good. And you're doing something which, if not irreversible, will be quite difficult to overcome in weeks and months to come. So be careful with that. But as you're working on vocal endurance, just start with maybe, I would say 10-15 minutes of rehearsal a day, and then build it up as you get more comfortable. And if at the end of 15 good, solid, faithful minutes of practice, you feel that you could do 5 more, build up, add on. As a professional singer, I'm required to sing about 2 hours a day, and so I'm in 2 or even 3 hour long rehearsals, and this is often in addition to an hour or so of practice at home. So you do get comfortable building up, but even myself, if I'm feeling that my voice is a little bit weak, I will speak with my director or my conductor, and I will explain that to him, and then you can practice, you can sing in what is called half voice, where you're sort of singing a little bit lighter, but still getting the rehearsal in. Remember also, if you lose your voice, you can practice your music simply by playing it on your keyboard or by listening to it on a musical CD. So there's other ways to sort of keep up with your rehearsal and not get behind vocally while still being careful with your voice. So I hope these help as you are practicing building up your musical and singing endurance. I'm Kendall McGuire. Thank you.